So guys, what you're seeing is our home per day. Been a long time. Along a team of deep or swim at a tide of near a worry peach at a tool. So apparently what I know so far is that East Acholi is getting destroyed by heavy rain, that is by flooding. When we look at Pade, there is suffering. There's in Agao district, there's also suffering, and also some parts of Kitgum. For example, there's a video that I've premiered today which indicates flooding in one of the village in Agao district, which is the village is known as Orena. It's a parish, Orena parish in Agao district in La Perbong sub-county. It is suffering from this challenge. And also in Kitgum, what is happening in Kitgum, a bridge which connects Kitgum to Kalau has been brought down. That is Bugiri Bridge. The flood has cut it off, which is a very, very serious challenge. In Pade, two things have happened. The first one is a certain hill in Latanya has busted. I don't want to call it erupted because it happens onto volcanoes. It has busted and rocks splattered out like landslide, and many community members are speculating that maybe there are minerals underground, but some say it is just water which led to the bursting of those rocks or the blasting of those rocks. You listen to the vice chairperson of Pade district, that is Mr. Ochian Justin. Listen to the Honorable. Today, also on my way to record Paul Luque's memorial prayer, which took place today, I met a very big challenge. We alongside other people, because the bridge that connects Agao district to Pade also had a very big challenge of that rain. The rain cut off the bridge, and the development is just so ugly. Check it.
My name is Ochian Justin. I am the Vice Chairman and District Councillor. It is a very unfortunate incident, and this is the first time in its kind, the first time in the history of my birth that we are registering a landslide in Latanya Hills. It happened yesterday night. Fortunately, it has not injured or killed anybody or destroyed property. However, the people around these hills are living with a lot of fear. We have notified the office of the Prime Minister, and we have also notified the office of the Disaster and Preparedness, so that we can do a technical assessment and we see what to be done. But as of now, the situation is still bad because we can hear sound. As I talk now, people are running, and the sound of this rock as if it wants to break or it wants to start another landslide. And rain is still coming, and we have appealed to the local communities who living around here to vacate a little bit as we wait for a better response from the central government. Thank you. I think that's it.
So with all this stressing news coming in from the issue of flooding, as even they've requested Minister Hilary Onek to prepare, Minister for Disaster and Preparedness, and also Abe Lilian, who is the state minister under that ministry. They needs to prepare because things like East Acholi is getting destroyed by floods. Thank you so much, and with that also I remind you to stay subscribed, stay tuned here so that you get the updates on the Paul Lokage Memorial. Very good speeches came out, and we're going to start updating you about that. We're already editing them. Stay subscribed so that you don't miss all these things right here at Acholi TV. Thank you. Nice time.
So I'm crossing going for Paul Lokage Memorial Prayer. Jimmy Payot. Daúdia. Kani rungi chunga de. Ya, algo lengoro. Digi ki ache lat. Ki ache brendo. Mem. Dale. Wote we ko gumoro wa we piu kiro. Who do you want? He did genius to that. They go on Jim Goro. Yurni engineers were mere and you Lako approach you. Mere don't check futuristic considerations. Infrastructure material you where the type condition in the Pagan one again. Jal Jal can't do that. You don't put it through here. You know, down to you to see that keep it for the water. To be able to Jal, you may pero ye ngari time. Elu rini anti pama. Jine wera. Jal, Jalwe, Jal, Janegong, Jalwe. Megong. Uno yoro wa. Kada puno ji bye bye bere. Boria. Jal. Ya TikTok kan. Ini ada hier itu. Very good. Bener no. Apa ya kau? Jal pemain ni. Atir ya. Apa ya? Kamu rugong.